Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do your real name authentication and how to set up your withdrawal address on GMP platform. So guys, before we proceed, do not skip any part from this video. Make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, because if you skip any part you may miss the important one, because this video is very important, most especially for those that are about to register and those that register they don't know how to set it up. So guys, let's dive in our tutorial. But guys, if you are just coming across for my video for the first time, kindly do well to subscribe, share the video, drop a comment. If you have any questions or any challenge about the platform, just drop it in the comment section. I will get back to you. Check my video description. You will see my WhatsApp link community and Telegram link community. Anyone you choose you can join, and I will drop the registration link too in the description of the video for those that are interested. As you can see, if something come like this, guys, if something come new like this, make sure you give it a try. As you can see here, how people are earning on this platform is working. People are earning on this platform massively, but some people don't know about these things. They are just seeing it as a scam, or how, I don't even know how to say it. But guys, I want to warn you. Yes, this one is very important. We are just here for the free money they are giving us. We'll collect it and go our way. You see this recharge button here, where you are seeing that record arrow is shaking. Don't, even in a mistake, don't mistakenly recharge even a dime. Don't recharge a dime. If you recharge, these people run away with your money. Legit update will not be held responsible. I say what? Do not deposit. If you deposit anything, these people run away with your money. Legit update will not be held responsible. Yes. What's one thing about this platform like this? If they come, they are legit. But once their money starts to finish, they will vanish. Yes, you people know what I'm talking about. Once their money finish, they will run away. So not mistakenly deposit your money. Maybe it may be the time they are trying to run. You will deposit your money and they'll run away with your money. Legit update is not going to be held responsible. Don't forget about this. Do not deposit. For those that have not deposit and for those that have not registered, I'm just warning you. For those that have already deposit, do not deposit for the second time. Yes, I'm saying this. Do not deposit for the second time, because you don't know which time they may close the platform. Yes, that's why I say we are just here for the free money they are giving us. We will go our way. Let's dive into the tutorial, guys. So guys, we are going to start with the real name authentication. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, kindly do well subscribe to the YouTube channel, so that anytime I drop a latest video and important and lovely video like this, YouTube will notify you. When you subscribe, press the notification bell. Anytime I drop a video, YouTube will notify you. Let's dive in. So guys, you see this my here where you are seeing that record arrow is shaking. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface like this. As you can see, just check where the record arrow is shaking. That's where you are going to tap. Yeah, you see this real name authentication, so you are going to type on it. Once you tap on it, as you can see here, we have ID card information, name, we have number. This is you can see what they require you to submit: ID number, driving license number, resident permit number. So your ID number, if you are putting ID number, if you are putting driving license, if you are putting resident permit, this is where you are going to put the name. First, the name of your ID number, resident permit, or driving license. This here you put the name. After that, you come here, just check where the arrow is shaking. You see ID, driving license number, permit. This is where you are going to put the number. I say what? Number. The first one is name, the second one is number. Then you now come down. You see this ID card photo, front photo. This front photo, if you are putting your ID card, driving license, resident permit number, or anyone you choose to submit, you are going to put the first here, the front, the front of the ID. Then revise photo, yeah, this one. If you are putting the ID number, driving license number, resident permit number, the back of the ID is the one you are going to put. When you are done, you will see I've already submit my under, as why you did not see anything under here like submit or done. When you are done, you will see something, is it submit or done safe? So you click on it for and wait for like, is it 1 to 2 days, but I'm not sure if it will reach the 2 days. So once it has approved, you will see something like this up. You see this review pass. Once you see this review pass, your GMP account is verified by the authentication. So okay guys, let's go to the second part, which is set your real name authentication. Let's drive in. As you can see here, that's set up there. Just check where the recording arrow is shaking, that's where you are going to enter. So you press on that set. When you come there, you see this USDT address. You are seeing where the arrow, where the record is shaking. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to the interface like this. So this the wallet they recommend you to put the address. You see, this is TRC20, this is ERC, this is BTC. So that's the one they will ask you choose any of those address and copy. When you copy, as you see here, you can see where this USDT address, and paste it here. If you don't know how to copy your address, if you don't know how to copy your address from your crypto wallet, or if you don't have any crypto wallet, just comment in the comment section. I'm going to tell you how to get the crypto wallet, and I'm going to drop a link for you on how to get the crypto wallet and a video tutorial on how to register on it and set it up. Then how you copy the link and come and paste it in your GMP platform, guys, if you are interested. So make sure you read the instruction. They say, warm reminder, please enter the wallet address of the USDT TRC20, USDT ERC20, and ETH network. After entering, please check whether the wallet address is correct to avoid unnecessary losses caused by entering incorrect wallet address. So when you make sure that the address you submit is complete and is correct, then you now press on this submit. Once you press on the submit, everything is going. So that's all, guys. As you can see, everything has come normally. So before I say something, one of my students asked me, how can I register on this GMP? How can I withdraw on this GMP? So if you want to withdraw, you make sure you reach two. You see here like this, sorry, here where this arrow is pointing, make sure you reach 200 USDT, 200 commission, that's 200 USDT before you can withdraw. Once you reach the 200 USDT, that's the first step. The second step, you have to make sure you invite 10, I said what, 10 friends, then you can be able to withdraw. See guys, I'm telling you this one with my full confidence. This platform is legit and is paying. Once you invite those 10 friends, my friends has been cashing out, my student has been cashing out on this platform. Yes, I say let me drop the tutorial video. If you are interested, it's legit guys. Just try, share it to your friends, family, so that you reach the 10 members. See, once you reach 10 friends that you invite, you will not need to reach the 200 USDT before you withdraw. Any amount you can withdraw, any amount. So once you reach it, they will upgrade you to level 1. So in that level 1, you can withdraw in any amount. So before you withdraw, once you reach the 200 USDT and invite the 10 friends, so this is what you do. Come to your home like this. You see this one, you see this, sorry, let me, you see this lady that is smiling here, that's their customer service. That lady smiling, so you just click on it, it will take you directly to your WhatsApp. Just check, I just say I'll do 2 tutorial, but let me just add with this one so that people will understand how it works. Yeah, I'm just bringing it. So let it search for, make sure you have a WhatsApp. So as you can see it here, this is how the handwriting will come. I don't know which language is this, but the customer care know the language. Yeah, so once it come like this, you just click here, see this send button, click on it. Once you click on it, the message has gone. So guys, there's one thing I want you to do in this thing. Make sure you save the number. You see this ad that you are seeing here. Once you click on it, yes, you see it, that's the name of the customer service. So you just click on this save, this one, just click on this save, everything will be saved. So I have it already because I've already contacted their customer service. No need of me saving it. Yeah, you see my customer service that I have contacted earlier, sorry, this one, the one that I've chat with and give me information of everything. This is the one I just did. Now I'm going to delete it because I don't need it. I just do it for tutorial. Yeah, this one, the down one, is the one that I used. So guys, this platform is paying, yeah, like massively. If you find this video helpful, kindly do well to subscribe. Thank you.